Heartily welcome to all of you on our YouTube channel CS Ansar. I'm speaking Stella from CS Ansar. So today we are back within the interesting topic, the burnout at workplace. For that we having the Neha Verma ma'am. So Neha Verma ma'am is a coach of the wellness. So she will be teach us how we have to maintain our health. Okay. Before we further ado, I having a smallest request to all of you, those are watching us, to subscribe our YouTube channel and do not forget to like and share and comment. And if you guys having any doubt, please drop your comment in the comment section and definitely we will reply to you. Now, ma'am, I would like to invite you to share the thoughts on the today topic.
Hello Stella, thank you. Now let's discuss about the burnout topic. Have you ever feel tired even after sleeping for 8 hours? You sleep for 8 hours but still feel you feel exhausted. You don't feel like doing anything. You feel mentally drained, and this is not a sudden thing that in night you sleep and in morning you feel a burnout. It's a long term process that you neglected over time. So let's discuss about it in detail. First, let's discuss burnout that is different from stress. Burnout is not similar to stress. Stress is different. Like in stress, you feel overwhelmed with too many responsibilities. When you have too much work, too much workload, you have too much deadlines to conquer it, but you feel exhausted at that time. You feel overtime, overwhelmed. You work overtime. You feel so much pressure. So stress is like that. You still have the motivation to keep going, but in stress it you feel little motivated to keep going. You feel exhausted, you feel overwhelmed, but you still keep going and do the work. Your emotions are heightened. You may feel anxious, worried, and frustrated. You feel anxious, you feel worried, you feel frustrated, but still you do the work. Your emotions will you will feel high in emotions, but still you keep managing. Usually improves with rest, relaxation, and good time management. When you take rest, when you relax your body, when you take time to yourself, you feel uh, to keep going on. Now let's discuss about the burnout, what exactly it is. Burnout is a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused by excessive and prolonged stress. जब बहुत टाइम तक बॉडी स्ट्रेस में रहती है and you feel exhausted in emotional, physical, and your mental well-being, then burnout take place. It can affect anyone from students to professional, leaving them drained and unmotivated. You feel detached from work, you feel detached from your surroundings, you don't feel like to work, you feel very lethargic. Recognizing burnout early is essential for recovery and long-term well-being. This presentation explored science, causes, effects, and strategies to regain balance. Burnout में basically recovery में time लगता है. You will take time in recovery. It's not a one day process, and it's also not a one day process to feel exhausted, and it is also not a one day process to feel mentally strong again. Common triggers that you feel that leads to burnout. When you feel burnout, when you work excessively, you have excessive tasks to do without enough rest, can lead to chronic exhaustion, slowly draining energy, joy, and overall motivation to perform consistently. You feel no control. When you lack influence over how or when to do your job, it builds helplessness and daily stress that's mentally exhausting. You feel really mentally exhausting. You don't feel like to work. You feel your daily stress piled up in day to day. Unclear expectations. If job roles or rules are vague or always shifting, confusion and frustration will wear you down with time. If your job role and rules are not clear, you feel confused, you feel shifting, you feel frustrated over time. So, excessive workload is also a trigger point. So here are some warning signs that can inform you about burnout. So you need to keep in mind. First is persistent fatigue. You feel constantly tired. Even with sleep, you still feel mentally and physically drained, making each day harder to rest. Each day is like a very struggle to survive. Next is about mood swings. Small problems may trigger sudden anger, tears, or sadness beyond your control. Even small things and little things make you angry. If someone said you very small thing, you take it very seriously and you get angry very easily. Small and little things make you angry. You react instead of respond. You feel tears or sadness very easily, and all things and all emotions are beyond your control. Now, next is loss of interest. Things that once made you excited or curious now seem meaningless or tired. You lose interest in everything. पहले जो हॉबीज या जो भी चीज़ें एक्साइटेड फील होती थी, सडनली ऑल थिंग्स विल फील मीनिंगलेस एंड you feel tired very easily. Then next is withdrawal. You feel withdrawal from everyone, friends or family, because socializing feels too much draining. You start withdraw or isolate yourself. You don't feel like to talk with friends, family, and socializing with people. Now let's discuss about the body signals. Burnout in the flash. Burnout manifests physically as chronic fatigue, insomnia, or frequent illness. You manifest burnout when you constantly feel fatigue, means tired. Insomnia, like you don't feel like to sleep in night, or frequent illness. Your body becomes weak, and your immune system becomes weak, and you get tired, and you get illness very easily. You attract illness very easily in your life. Many suffer from headaches or stomach issues due to constant stress. Left unchecked, these symptoms worsen and can develop into long-term health problems. So it's better you should never ignore these signs. It will affect you in long term. The body keeps the score when stress becomes chronic. Your body never forget the stress that you feel by it. So it's better that you keep in check. Now let's discuss about the burnout impact on your mental health. How burnout affects the mind. Burnout diminishes mental sharpness. You may struggle to focus. You lose focus very easily on things on in your work. Remember details or think clearly. You start to forget very easily. You don't get clarity in your mind. Tasks that once felt easy now seem overwhelming. जो पहले काम बहुत easily smoothly हो जाता था, now you feel like a burden. Now you treat like a burden. This cognitive decline is often mistaken for laziness or incompetence when in fact it's a symptom of mental exhaustion and needs to be addressed with care and recovery. Often people misjudge about his incompetence. Like you feel like you are not capable to do it, but in reality you are capable, but you are emotionally drained, you feel detached, you feel burnout. Now explore emotional effects. Overwhelming sadness. You feel sad very easily and it's very overwhelming for you. A deep emotional emptiness that makes even small tasks feel pointless and leaves you disconnected from joy. Small tasks make you very tired, make you very pointless. You don't feel like to do it, and you feel disconnected from happiness, from joy, and you don't feel like to do anything. Even if you're happy, even if you're things that you interest earlier, now you just become now you feel boring and not feeling like to do that. Next is heightened sensitivity. Harmless feedback or minor setbacks cause emotional reactions that feel stronger than expected. If some person gives you feedback that not matches with your opinion, then it is easily triggered you. You don't treat it as a feedback. You take that feedback as a burnout fatigue and pressure. When you work overtime and your personal time effects that lead to fatigue, tiredness, and pressure. Second is neglect health. You neglect your health, you skip meals, you sleep, you don't sleep enough, or you don't do movements in your daily routine. Gradually break the body, reducing your ability to cope up with stress. Now, next is disconnected living. You feel disconnected from everything, losing contact with your hobbies or people you love can make feel like overwhelming. लाइक जिन पर्सन से पहले बात करने में अच्छा लगता था, जिस हॉबीज़ को परस्यू करने में पहले, और now you are exhausted in everything. So what we can do for it is talk to anyone in your family or your friends, or if you can't do that, then talk to any therapist that helps you unpack the stress pile up in your body, and it can lead to a disease in long term. Hello, how you can recover from it. Talk it out, speak with a friend or therapist, help you unpack the stress and process what you are feeling. Basically, talk your feelings, what you are feeling, why you are feeling exhausted. Discuss in detail in your family or your friend. If you can't do that, then talk to any therapist that will help you out. Next is digital detox. Detox is very important. Take some time away from screens and noise and help your brain reset, restoring attention and emotional calm. Now let's talk about prevention. How can you prevent burnout? You need to manage your time. It's about time management. You schedule your priorities to stop overwhelm before it starts and protect your mental energy. You should manage your time like that, that you take time for your movement, for your energy, for yourself. Next is self-care. Make time for personal joy, hobbies, or rest before you completely burn out. Take some time for rest, take some time for your hobbies, do things that you like, that will keep you going on in your daily work also. That will help you personally as well as professionally. Next is healthy sleep. Sleep is very important. You should go to bed and wake up on a steady rhythm so your mind gets proper recharge. You should set your time for sleep in evening, in night, and in morning. Keep the same time regularly so it will help you out. Next is support system. Share your struggles with people who care so you are not carrying everything alone. Share your struggles with people who care, which means share someone that you can trust. Share everything that you feel exhausting you feel light. And in last, I just want to say thank you. Your well being is your greatest asset. Take care of yourself because burnout takes over. अपनी लाइफ को सीरियसली लो. Life is not just about the work. Your body is the place that you live. So This is your first home, and this is your asset that lead your life. So just relax. Sometime do your work, but don't take pressure from it, and just take things lightly in life. Do your work seriously, but don't take it too serious that it affects your body. So to prevent burnout, you should set boundaries in your life. Like learn to say no to things that affect your body. Learn to say no when it is necessary. And in companies also, they need to create a familiar and friendly environment that people don't feel exhausted and they don't feel to work in a toxic environment. So environment matters a lot. So you can take uh, yoga in your daily routine. You can take a healthy diet, and companies also support you in this works. When company environment supports you, and you also support your health, your productivity will increase, and it affects your companies and as well as you. So thank you so much for listening. Here's to over to you, Stella.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You explained very wonderfully, and you mentioned the perfectly topics which is the important for the health. And hopefully, those are watching us. So please focus on your health. Health is the also more important thing, and the work is the also important thing. Just you have to know that how you manage it. And again, thank you so much, Neha Verma, ma'am. You explained very wonderfully. Thank you.
Okay, bye.